Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 programming myths. These are misconceptions that many people have about programming, but in reality, they're not true. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video will help you understand the truth about programming. Myth 1. Programming is only for math geniuses. Many people believe that you have to be a math genius to be a good programmer, but that's not the case. Programming is about problem solving and logic, not math. Sure, some programming languages may require a solid understanding of math concepts, but you can still be a great programmer without being a math whiz. Myth 2. Programmers are introverted. Another common myth is that all programmers are introverted and don't like to socialize. While it's true that some programmers may be introverted, it's not a requirement to be a programmer. In fact, many programmers are outgoing and enjoy working in teams. Myth 3. Programming is easy. Some people think that programming is easy and anyone can do it. However, programming is a skill that takes time and effort to master. It's not something that can be learned overnight. Myth 4. You need to know all the programming languages. Many people believe that you need to know all the programming languages to be a good programmer, but that's not true. You don't need to know every programming language to be a good programmer. It's more important to understand the concepts and principles of programming, and then apply them to the language you're using. Myth 5. Programmers only work on computers. Many people think that programmers only work on computers, but that's not the case. Programmers also work on mobile devices, servers, and even embedded systems. Myth 6. Programming is only for men. Another myth is that programming is only for men, but that's not true. Programming is for anyone who is interested in it, regardless of their gender. Myth 7. Programming is a solitary activity. Many people believe that programming is a solitary activity and that programmers work alone. But, in reality, most programmers work in teams and collaborate with others. Myth 8. You need a college degree to be a programmer. Another myth is that you need a college degree to be a programmer, but that's not true. While a college degree can help, it's not necessary to be a programmer. You can learn programming through online courses, bootcamps, and self-study. Myth 9. Programmers don't need to communicate. Many people believe that programmers don't need to communicate, but that's not true. Programmers need to communicate with their team members, clients, and stakeholders. Myth 10. Once you know how to program, you'll always have a job. The last myth is that once you know how to program, you'll always have a job. While programming is a valuable skill, the job market is always changing. It's important to stay up to date with new technologies and programming languages. So, those are the top 10 programming myths. Remember, programming is not just for math geniuses or introverted people. It's not easy. You don't need to know all programming languages. Programmers work on different systems and environments. It's not gender specific, it's a collaborative effort. Not only college graduates can be programmers, communication is important, and lastly, the job market is always changing. With that being said, we hope that this video has helped you understand the truth about programming.